Welcome to Inverted Pursuits. In recent months, due to our global pandemic, my family, in particular my grandparents, have not been able to come down and see the house and shop that I recently bought. So today we are going to do a shop tour. Alright, so as we approach the shop, on the left we have Bay 1. Bay 2's door is currently closed. The door doesn't presently work on it due to a broken string on the inside. But as we enter Bay 1, you can see we've got LightStar directly in front, a welder, the trailer we've used to haul LightStar for years off in the right side. Most of Bay 2 right now is just being used for storage since the door does not presently open. But as we come over here, we've got some storage, tool cart, LightStar itself here in amongst work with varying things being taken off it as we go. I currently have the car counterbalanced to one side as we're messing with one side of the vehicle versus another. But as we move further back into the shop, we've got a shelf here that stores a variety of tools, screws, electrical wire, nuts and bolts. I've got my battery chargers for drills and power tools, a giant spool of wire I bought for any wiring we need to do inside the shop. It's all being done with that. Also doing additional house wiring with that. Got mechanic seat to roll around on, so when we're working on the engine. I've also got a pretty standard creeper for getting underneath the vehicle. Trash can, not really much entertaining there. This is the spray paint cabinet, where pretty much anything flammable goes in here. So spray paint, caulk, acetone. If it's flammable, it's currently in here. Then I've got a file cabinet I actually recently procured, so I've been able to store manuals to all the new machines. So I've got all my rigid drills and stuff, rigid tools manuals in there. We've got the back ends of LightStar over here in the corner. So this is the upper section, and then the lower section of the back end. Whiteboard where we've been scribbling out ideas, and then onto my workbench. So the workbench is currently covered with rigger parts as we've been working on that issue. I've got fastener library in the back that I've started procuring, and then my collection of license plates that I started over the years. As we move along, we've got a workbench that's meant for power tools like small bandsaw here, angle grinder, stuff like that. You also notice the entire shop is plumbed for air. So over in the corner here, I've got a spot where an air compressor can plug in, which currently I've got my little 2.5 gallon air compressor plugged into the line. But eventually a big 60 or 80 gallon air compressor will go in the corner here. I've got power run for that. But as we move along to the other side of the shop now, I've got metal cutting bandsaw, dollies that are designed to go under LightStar's wheels to help us move it around, a collection of pallets for various needs, and then all of my material storage here for wood currently. Metal will be also integrated into this storage eventually. But then we've got ladders, various parts, the electrical panel. But this is the shop. Thanks for watching my shop tour. Hope you guys enjoyed getting a chance to see my shop. there's always going to be more to come, and just keep an eye out for videos of different projects I'm doing as they show up. So.